Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, developer advocate here at Dremio with another demonstration of an SQL function here in Dremio Cloud. And the next one I want to talk about is the case function. Okay, very typical function in SQL. It's a lot of fun to use. It's basically a switch statement, but in SQL, where you can basically say, hey, depending on the value of a particular column, give me this value. Okay, so we're going to create a table where we're going to have a customer name, the purchase amount, and sort of their favorite category of shopping. The idea is we want to categorize the type of shopper that they are. So when we insert their record, so there we see the data that we're inserting into the table. Now what's going to happen is that we're going to have a field a custom field for this query called customer type. And the way we'll determine what the customer type is by using case. Okay, and basically the case, we say, hey, this is the value that we want to basically check, and then we're going to say, hey, when the value equals this, then return this. Okay, and then if all else, so like if it doesn't match any of the possibilities, then we'll use an else statement to say, okay, then return this if all else fails. Okay, and then basically this end keyword ends the case statement, so that way it knows when the case statement ends, and then we name it customer type. Pretty straightforward. Let me again make sure I change the context. So let's change that to January there. January. And then let's run this query and see the results. Okay, but again, you can always find all the code for these videos in the video description. And so that way you can try them out for yourself. And yeah, you should definitely try these out on Dremio Cloud. So these are done. So let's take a look at the result. Here we see here tech enthusiast. So let's see here. Alice enjoys electronics. She's a tech enthusiast. Makes sense. Okay, clothing, fashionista, groceries, homemaker. This all seems to match up. Books, bookworm, electronics, tech enthusiast. Yes. Okay, so it was successful. So this can be really useful in all sorts of different ways to kind of help label data, or do any kind of work with data where you want to kind of just say, hey, show me this if this is the value. So with that, I'll see you in the next video. My name is Alex Merced, developer advocate here at Dremio. Have a great day and enjoy.